So I got the engine all disassembled. Here's the block. Just going through everything. Clean. I gotta take it off the engine stand so I can get that rear fucking last cam bearing out. Then finish cleaning the inside of it. So here's one of the lifters I found. That was inside the engine, which made me decide to rebuild the whole thing. And, it's right here. I need something flat. So here's all the pistons. Soak them in awesome with bleach. Takes all this gunk right off them. No problemo. That's a crankshaft that I got from a different engine. Let's see. I need something really flat. Oh yeah, my piece of flat thing. You can see how concave it is. I mean, it's bad. I had trouble getting it out. Yep. So that was that. The camshaft is right here. This is one that was stuck. I mean, you can see this lobe's gone right here. Another one. Yeah, man, it's all this junk. Yeah, man, that lobe's gone. Gone. But it is a 4-bolt main. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-bolt main. Decent block. One more cleaning. After I get that cam bearing out. Clean it one more time really good. Install the cam bearings. Polish the lifter bores. Nice and smooth and beautiful. Yes, they are. Yeah. Hopefully it'll be ready for reassemble today. I already bought main bearings. I have the cam bearings already. I got a bunch of gaskets I gotta go through exactly what I need or not. And that's what's happening. Alright. So let me take this off. Look at my engine hoist right there. And that's what we're doing. Oh yeah, here's the fucking junker heads of this. I mean, outside the engine was filthy, but the inside was not too bad. Here's these crappy heads. I mean, they're just smog era heads. I mean, look how tiny those valves are. Jeez. Look how tiny the ports are. A joke. Not just zero performance, but negative performance.